Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing day 4 of pushing Spike to max tier, and I'm here with my friend Jacob. Say hi, Jacob.
Hi guys.
Yeah, so we'll be just chilling with him right now, and I'll just have a wee look at his profile real quick. Let's see how good he is. Oh, he's in high. Nice. Wait, he's the president of high. Nice. Or vice president, I mean. Alright, let's see. Oh my god, he's actually kind of cracked, I suppose. Alright, anyways, we're just going to do like a couple of matches, you know, and stuff like that. So like, we can just like, get like kind of goated. Alright, so let's go. Right, first match with Jacob.
Jimmy.
Yeah?
Well, surely.
I'm bronze. Bronze 1.
No, I meant like you're. Like I'm 12 with bronze. What are you?
Oh, I'm tier M19 with Spike. Yeah. Jacob, can I tell you something?
Yeah.
Jacob, don't talk about our normal stuff, alright? Don't talk about it. No, it wasn't.
We're literally doing a YouTube video right now.
I know, I said don't talk about our normal stuff, and we're not talking about our normal stuff. Simple. Oh, and guys, make sure to like and subscribe like Jacob did. And guys, do you know what else is crazy? We have 12 subscribers already. So, oh my gosh, and it's not even been 4 days yet. Like, oh my god. Like, that's just absolutely amazing. And I cannot believe that. So yeah.
I'm playing again.
Really? Alright, nice. And anyways, just like the video and subscribe and just enjoy the video. Alright, let's keep going, Jacob. Second match. Oh my god, there's 2 diamonds. One of them's a Miko. The diamond one's a Miko. I have a question. What's your favourite brawler? Because I've actually never played Brawl Stars with you before.
Mine's is probably Frank or Nano.
Mine's is Nanny. Like, I'm an insane Nanny lover because one of my other accounts, right? Basically, I pushed Nanny to like 700 trophies on it. Yeah, it was crazy. It's at 800 right now, I think. Oh my god. Right, Jacob, we gotta lock in because I'm trying to push this brawler to max tier. So, Jacob, we got a cook right now, mate. We got a cook. Alright.
Should we try rank to get our bronze rank higher?
Right. I don't know because it doesn't give us trophies or anything. We'll do that when the video's ended, alright? We'll do that when the video's ended. Because right now we're doing it. I mean, we can do a ranked video or something. That'll be fun. Or something like that. We'll do a ranked video maybe. That'll be fun. Just go on. Alright, 8-bit. I hate 8-bit. 8-bit is my No way I'm dying to my least favourite brawler. No way I'm dying to it. I know I said I hate Colt in one of my other videos in day 3 because he just kept ruining it, honestly. That's Larry and Lottie, by the way. That's fine. I've got Penny. I've got Penny slowness. Oh my god, I'm dead. Jacob, pick up everything. Pick up everything. Oh my god. Hide until I come back. Hide until I come back. Oh my god, Jacob, that was actually one of the worst things ever. But okay. Right. Oh my god, it's that same Larry and Lottie from earlier. Oh no. Pick up the stuff. The power points, whatever you call them. The cubes. Electric cubes? I don't know. Jacob, you can go and kill him. Just go and kill him, Jacob, and end the game. You know what? Come back. Yeah. Carl, let's turn. Right, Jacob. I really need your help, right? Because I've been losing quite a lot of trophies lately, as you saw in my day 3 episode. Like, I just kept losing trophies and more trophies. Like, I just kept losing. And I mean losing trophies. And by the way, Jacob, sorry, I cannot join your club because I'm in like my cousin's club, so sorry.
Oh, it's fine.
But see when I like make like 30 Brawl Stars, like, oh my god, you got a mythic! Oh my god, guys, Jacob got a mythic star drop.
No.
Oh, he got 200 power points. But you won't believe it though. Jacob actually got a mythic, which is kind of wild. Not gonna lie. You know what? Let me turn my. Oh my god, I accidentally switched it off. Please stop. Yep, still recording. That wasn't sad accident.
Rock's cooking.
I turned my volume down a little bit so y'all can still hear me. Anyways, let's cook. One question: did I put you on speaker and full volume? Yeah, I did. Right.
Oh yeah, guys. Jamie and me play for our football team.
Don't say it. Otherwise, Otherwise, this video will have to get deleted. And I don't want that. But don't you dare! Right? Otherwise, you're not Sigma. Right? Right?
I'm gonna fly.
Eee. Oh.
Jamie, I need to get What? Jamie, hide.
No, I can't. They already know where I am.
Jamie, don't use that. Oh, come on.
Sorry, Jacob. They already knew where I was, so I can't really hide from them.
Guys, I just went down. Oh no, I didn't. Wait,
I went down as well.
we cannot do with that game.
Yeah, I know. A really terrible game. Oh my god. Right, let's see this one. Okay, we've got a Meeple, Bo, Dynamite. This should be an easy match. Should be. What should be?
Bye.
Whoa, Jacob, I need help out here.
Can't.
Never mind. Maybe not, maybe I do actually.
The low battery. Nah, not battery. No, my battery's low.
God damn it.
8-bit is so annoying.
I know, I hate 8-bit. 8-bit?
Age is so fun.
I know.
He's in there. Oh, nice. Jamie, are you sure this is a good idea? Push. Oh yeah, push these kids. Dead. Come on. Oh, he's over there. He's damn.
I know.
Meow, 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 meow.
Meow. Easy kill.
Jamie, I'm going.
God damn it. Oh my god, this is getting scary now. Oh my god. Get that? Oh no! Oh no.
Now you're fine. You're fine.
Suey! Get in.
So,
Alright, let's just. Oh my god, what is happening down here? Two more. Right, I'll get them from here. I'll push them. Get in! Oh my god, Jacob, I'm at tier 20. Look, Jacob, I'm at tier 20.
oh my god, Jamie.
I'm grinding so much, mate. Yo, guys, you do not understand how much I'm grinding Spike right now. So yeah, very Sigma Spike. Very Sigma Spike. Normally when I play with like friends, I always lose a lot of trophies.
What? We won.
Oh no! Jacob, I can't push right now.
I'm just being chill.
Oh no.
Jamie, we should be chill guys.
My ping's so bad. Oh no! Oh! How are they missing those? I'm fine! Come on, I can win! No! Oh my god, I'm literally so dead. Damn.
Jamie, let's go over here.
Go over here, go over here. A lot of chaos happening down here. A lot of chaos. Oh my god, I've just went in the middle of it. Dumb. Ready up again. Alright, right, Jacob, we got a lock in, right, Jacob, I'm in lock in mode, what about you?
What?
I'm in lock in mode, what about you?
Same.
Oh my god, there's a fame crow! There's a literal, no, that means fame. Fame crow, you kidding me?
Is that good?
That's really good, that means he's got all the brawls in the game.
Yeah.
That means he can just use any brawl he wants. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. So that means he's got every brawl in the game.
Well, there's a cactus right here. Spike disappeared the wall.
Meeple, ah! Oh my god. Jacob. Oh. Yeah, maybe we should stop pushing.
Yes, and get lots of crates to heal.
Good idea.
Okay, there's a crate right next to us.
Oh my god, Jacob, this should be an easy match. I think we should push this match. Because there's only like 2 ranked players and one of them's me.
No, 3 and what?
You don't have like those like thingies that pop up.
What?
Like the bronze stuff and the silver stuff. Like nothing comes up for you. For me, nothing comes up for me. It's only me that has it, and another one. Right, now we just gotta stay away from a Sam because that's the one that's got the rank. Oh my god. You found Sam? Are you joking? I also saw Sam's legs a little bit, not gonna lie.
I see Sam over there where I just shot.
Same here.
I'm gonna go over here. Oh no!
Oh my god, no! There's a nanny, I love nanny. Should I kill the nanny?
Yeah.
Why? I love nanny.
Oh, that little guy.
Oh my god, I love nanny though. Nanny, kill me, nanny!
No.
No! Rest in peace, nanny. Rest in peace. No nannies were harmed in the making of this video. Rare. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm at tier. Oh, I need to claim my rewards. I got star drop.
I got bear.
Rare. I got nothing.
Rare, super rare.
You got super rare. I don't.
On that other account, I once got growth on that other account.
Growth.
Out of a star, yeah.
What account is that?
And he's a legendary. Pardon me.
Jacob!
My iPad one. Pardon me. Sorry, guys.
Sorry, I can't see you from here.
Oh well. Alright.
Too much Pepsi.
Oh my god. No wonder Jacob drank so many Pepsi. No wonder. Oh, let's just keep playing Showdown and what? Wait a minute. Let me just have a wee look at the shop real quick. See if there's like anything new. Oh, there's a special offer for Charlie, but I don't have enough. Charlie. Oh, Toscanita, legendary skin. Oh my god, you got a hypercharge. Oh, you got Stu hypercharge.
I'm gonna get a special offer. Rare.
Come on, get a rare. Get a No, Jacob, seeing that, I got a legendary when I was doing like the star drop thing. One of them was a legendary. I'm just looking through. Oh, epic. By the way, Jacob, epic, mythic, or legendary could be a brawler. Oh, that could be a brawler. Ooh, 500 coins. Oh wait, that could be a brawler. Oh. Sorry guys, you can't see it. Oh, open another hypercharge. Open the other hypercharge after that.
Yeah, you got
Oh, you got a new skin. Romantic Dynamite. That's the one I have too. Special offer for Sam as well. Oh, hypercharge for Daryl. Okay.
I got a random bed.
Rip it open. No, Jacob, just hold it. Just shake it, shake it, shake it, and while holding it. No, Jacob, don't tap it. Just slide your finger, and it'll go fast.
Super rare. No. Rare. Please be super rare.
Oh,
Please be epic.
oh.
Please be
Jacob keeps getting
epic.
rares.
Fire.
That could be a brawler. No, just a player icon.
1,000 coins. No.
Alright,
Oh, I can buy this. 99 gems.
that's a mythic skin, but I don't think it's really worth it though. Not gonna lie, guys, I should probably spend my bling on like a skin maybe. PSG Shelly could be good maybe, because PSG is like a football thing, so maybe I might get PSG Shelly.
Buy Sam.
Nice. Let's see, what's this? El Primo. We'll do El Primo. Unicorn Barley. Alright. Anything else? Could buy those gems. I could buy some coins, but coins are basically useless. Unless if I'm like trying to get like Spike to max. Then like also like just getting other brawls to max in general. Robo Spike. Oh my god, wait a minute. Hold up, hold the phone. Hold the phone. I could get a new skin for Spike. I could get Pyro Spike.
Nah, Jimmy, you just ready to go.
I'm gonna buy Pyro Spike. There we go, guys. I bought a new Spike and I'm gonna equip it right now.
Whoa, that's...
There we go. Bought it. Alright, anyways, let's ready up.
Yes, alright.
Alright, so now with my new Pyro Spike, things should be going a lot better than usual. Right, let's see. Eddie, oh no. Uh-oh. This one may be having a little trouble here. Maybe like coming third, maybe?
Nah, we'll come fourth.
I think it'll...
Spike! You better die.
Is it another Pyro Spike? What?
Help me from Gus!
When was the last time you ever played Brawl Stars? Oh my god, it's just like a regular Spike gun.
Go push. Go push!
I can't push, I'm like so low on HP. Alright. Oh no, that's a kit.
I killed somebody. Oh, I just killed another person. Let's go get this one. Wait, we need to get that one. Where is it?
Got him. No, I missed!
You scared? You scared?
Yes!
Oh, I'm scared now. Jamie, get that, please.
Oh no! How am I alive? How am I alive? Right, let's go. Right. Oh, this should be easy. Oh no, 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 oh no. Alright, Jacob, you do that guy, I'll do this guy. I'll do Gale. Oh god! Yes! Right, GG's. Really? Nice. Play again. Oh my god, Jacob, I'm winning so many goddamn trophies right now. Wait a minute, Jacob, I'm gonna move my tablet a little bit and then I'm gonna plug this in. Phone.
I'm probably gonna go on Piggy because I was making my own server, but it didn't save it because there was just a loading screen on my screen and it took forever, so I left and rejoined and it didn't save, so I might do that soon.
Alright.
Maybe.
Oh my god.
Oh, Jamie!
Oh my god, I fumbled. Because I just did.
Stay up, boy.
I just did. That's why.
Boy. Jamie, I'm actually finished. What? That's not fair.
Yeah, they were bush camping.
Don't accidentally went to lobby. Rare.
It's fine, it's fine, it's fine.
Ready up.
Yo, Jacob, look at my trophies I've got in Spike.
How much?
400.
So what?
Do you want
Ready
to?
up.
Do you want to go? When do you want to go on Piggy? Because it's been 20 minutes since we started
Wait,
this.
do you want to like join my server with me and help me with it?
Sure, actually.
Okay, after this game.
Even though I've never actually played Piggy. Wait a minute, I need to get my computer to play it.
Oh yeah, I forgot. You did play it in PC when I asked you to, because you said it was too scary for you.
Yeah, but that was the old times.
True.
But no.
No, get it.
But now I'm Sigma.
Jamie, I'm gonna go get this before I can get the heal thing, you know. Wait, Jamie, go to the
Jacob.
over there, not on that pad. But
Do you still remember we're still recording a video?
yes. Hello there. Oh, hello there.
This is gonna be tough, oh no. Jacob, get back. Wherever you do, get back.
No.
They've got 7 power cubes.
I'm a brave warrior. I'm a brave warrior. Whoa, help me from Edgar. Edgar's so much help.
Bro, Edgar's Edgar with hypercharge is absolutely broken.
That's it.
No, just saying, they need to nerf Edgar so much.
Kill him.
No, and Crow as well. See Crow with hypercharge? No, see when you're playing Heist with Crow and you have hypercharge? He's absolutely broken.
See.
And I mean, he's like the best brawler for Heist.
Hunter, stop! No! Hunter, no! Oh my god, stop, Hunter! Oh my god! Oh my god, what is this doing? Hunter, man! This is all your fault!
What's happening, Jacob?
Oh my god, Hunter, stop! Oh my god!
No, I died.
Hunter, stop that! Never answer me! Oh,
Jacob,
stop it!
are you good?
No! That's Hunter's fault we died.
Well, not gonna lie, Jacob, they were on 12 power cubes. No, just saying though, what were we expecting? They were on 12 power cubes. What are we expecting? I mean, Jacob, we still got trophies.
Epic boy. Okay, let's go on Roblox now.
Alright, so guys, we're gonna end the video, so guys, thank you all so much for watching. Jacob, you've been a really good player today, because normally when I play with friends, I lose quite a bit of trophies, but you've did well. Anyways, guys, I need to end the video now, so bye and have a great day.